viewers, welcome to Sylvia Modern Academy Inside the Lab series. We are students of Ep3 and we are here to demonstrate how to extract the DNA of a banana. DNA is a blueprint. It is known as a deoxyribonucleic acid, carrying genetic instructions for growth, development, and other functions. Here are the apparatus needed in the extraction of the DNA of a banana. We have the measuring cylinder, the funnel, the ethanol, the strainer, the banana, ziplock, the warm water, and the soap.
So step 1, you begin by mashing the banana. Step 2, you add a little bit of soap, salt and water. Step 3, you filter the mixture. So here we are filtering the mixture by using a filter paper to get an absolute liquid and not a solid substance in it. Step 4, you add a cold ethanol and do not mix it. Step 5, we observe the DNA and we see a white string at the top of the mixture. That is the DNA of a banana.
In summary, the DNA of a banana contains the genetic information for traits like taste, texture, development. DNA is a blueprint that carries instructions for fruit development. Thanks.
Stay tuned to Sylvia Modern Academy Lab series. See you next time. Bye.